Okay, here we go. First off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Steve. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how you can increase the value and the value of your company and the traffic coming into you from Google. There's three key factors that play a role in this. Content is going to be a big one in this, backlinks and citations. So let's just kind of start with the basics here. Obviously, we have your website right here. And it's looking pretty good. It's very nice. Where are we at? We are in Raleigh. So just to show you what I did, I pulled up fence repair Raleigh. So to again cover the basics. Everything you type into Google search bar, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find the websites that best fit the search criteria. Search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords or the phrases being typed in, and then categorizes those websites based on that. That's how you establish rank. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. So I typed in fence repair Raleigh. Of course, we have ads. And then, of course, we have the map area, the map pack. The map pack listing in the map area to rank in the map is directly connected to your Google Business profile, your area of coverage, and citations. Citations is anything, name, address, and phone number that directly reflect your business profile. Directories like Yelp, Angie, Yellow Pages, BBB, things of that nature. Also, pictures somewhat play a rank in that, and also the reviews that you have. And you would definitely want in your Google Business profile, you would want your pictures to reference or be tagged. We'll just choose this guy for an example here. He's got 130 photos. So if you were trying to compete with him, you would want at least 130 photos. But to give you an example, this would be a fence that he put in. So if I were to save this image, let's see what it says. It just says UV. You would want this to say AAA fence, side patio, back gate, some kind of connecting keyword content linked to the image. So optimizing your Google Business photos, profile photos, is another way to add keywords and content in there to draw strength. Now, underneath the map is where the organic rank structure starts to take place. So Yelp and Angie and Better Business Bureau and advertisements like that. That's not what you're looking for. You're looking for your website to be found on its own and organically rank here. When you're tied in with Yelp and Angie, your leads or your potential customers become diluted with everybody else that's within this Yelp directory. So you're sharing your potential leads or what people are looking for with everybody else that's in here. You want them to specifically come to your site. So we have number two. We're going to use number two right here, Fry Fence Company. So we're going to go and one more time take a look at your website, and we're going to take a look at the tool that I have. The tool that I use is Ahrefs, and it gives me a behind the scenes look at what's going on with a company's website and how it's ranking and what's going on with it. I did say content, backlinks, and citations. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. Keep in mind that not all backlinks are created equal, so you wouldn't necessarily want a landscaping referring back to you, maybe not, but it won't carry as much weight as another fence or general contractor referring back to you. You definitely want backlinks that carry a strong domain rank and that have plenty of traffic, and you're looking really good right there. What I did find though was in the keywords. You have 49 keywords that are only driving 7 views a month of traffic. Now, like I said, we have number two right here. This is his website, Fry Fence Company. And if you take a look at him, you guys are very similar. You have more backlinks, you have more referring domains. He has 47 keywords though, driving him 290 views a month. So this is why he's there. Um, Again, whatever somebody's typing into the Google search bar, the content and the keywords is what plays a major factor in how Google ranks you as far as an authority of what you're doing. So when it comes to keywords, the amount of volume per month that the keyword or phrase is being searched. So a fence company Raleigh, North Carolina, 450 times a month. Fence companies Raleigh, again 450. Raleigh Fence Company, 350. I did find a big one down here. Fencing company near me, 14,000 times a month. This is being searched. Apex Fence, 900 times a month. So you can understand collectively when this is added up, the amount of exposure that's going to generate when you have the right content and keywords in your website so that you're being found for the search criteria when people are searching. Again, your backlinks are great, your referring domains are great, but I think that the content and the keywords that are written within your site are starving you from the traffic that you are needing. And that would be very simple to solve and put you right there on the first page of Google. So if you're wondering, what's going on, I'm not getting the return on my investment. I got this website, but I'm not being seen. It's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody's going to see you. It's important to have the right structure, the right content, keywords, backlink citations, Google Business Profile with your area of coverage. This needs to come together, and that's how Google establishes rank and sees you as an authority with the referring domains coming back to you and the endorsements from the backlinks. So with that being said, everything looks beautiful there, except for the fact that I think the keywords or the content may be a factor or an issue. Another thing too that was important to notice, like for example, pictures within your website. So this is a deck, and again, if I wanted to save this image here as well, it says deck company, but this perhaps could say AAA fence deck, or this could say outside patio, something that relates to the keywords and the content that are within your website, and you have your images tagged to it. That generates more strength and more popularity as well. So I just wanted to share that with you. Hopefully you can have a better understanding of how that works. If you find yourself wanting some more information, I'd be more than happy to talk with you. Again, I appreciate your time for watching the video. Thank you and have a great night.